So with the increase in progesterone, it increases your appetite, and it makes women more sensitive to low blood sugars. Really what it's doing, it's encouraging you to eat more, which your body is anticipating you being pregnant. So it's placing a higher demand on you for food and nutrients. And when you're not eating, you are, again, more susceptible to low blood sugars. A lot of those PMS symptoms will resemble low blood sugar, which is why some women, they don't have as hard of a time during the menstrual cycle, or they don't experience PMS symptoms as severe. And it would depend on that female's individual lifestyle. Again, their nutritional intake, whether they're getting proper sleep and nutrition. So really, a healthy lifestyle really cuts down on a lot of those PMS symptoms, and just listening to your body. Same things that I've been mentioning the last few days, and we'll continue on for the next few days. Yeah, so at this point in day 23 and 24, you can expect to be at the peak of those PMS symptoms, I would say. So hopefully your last week, your last 6 or 7 days in your menstrual cycle is easy going. Best wishes.